the Alpaka Shift Pack. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Alpaka Shift Pack. This backpack is versatile and can be used for travel or every day. Whether you're carrying your electronics from laptops, cameras, drones, or clothes, this bag has the compartment that will protect it. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Here are the dimensions of the backpack. It's a fairly good size and it's also approved for carry-on if you travel a lot. The backpack is constructed with quality materials. The exterior is a combination of ballistic nylon and nylon fox wool, and the interior is lined with ripstop nylon. It has a durable, sturdy, reinforced carry handle on the top. On the bottom, you have the Alpaka branding. And the material just feels good quality all around. All the exterior zippers are waterproof. The bottom compartment was designed for DJI drone users in mind and can fit your DJI drone easily. It's not just limited to that, it can also fit your cameras, shoes, and clothing. There are a couple of pockets on the top. And you can see the ripstop nylon lining. A neat feature is that you can unzip the top and have access to the main compartment. So this will extend your capacity. The front also has a good size, quick access compartment. You can put notebooks, documents, or your other belongings. It has several small pockets inside. The roll top utilizes the magnetic locking system. It's easy to unlock and lock. Just press the button to release. The roll top is a nice design and can be adjusted so you can have a capacity from 20 liters to 30 liters. Inside the main compartment, you can see there's an ample amount of space and the ripstop nylon lining. There is also another pocket inside the main compartment to put more belongings. Adjusting the top is simple. Just roll it to your desired fit or roll it back into its starting position, and then lock it into place. The bottom also has loops for optional straps that can be used to hold a camera tripod. The backpack strap has an adjustable chest strap, so this can help reduce the load on your back and shoulders. The backpack straps are well padded and have quality stitching throughout. Each of the straps has a pocket to hold small belongings such as keys and credit cards. You can see the padding on the back and how it's laid out. This will allow good airflow when you have it on your back, as it provides a pocket for the air to flow. There is also another pocket which is designed to fit your passports. Here you see the inner lining has some space. This is a luggage sleeve, so you can insert your luggage handle and the backpack can sit on top of your luggage. And finally, the back also has another compartment. This can be used for laptops, tablets, and other electronic devices as examples. You can also have access to the main compartment by unzipping the zipper here, so you won't need to roll out the top. So my thoughts on the backpack is that it is versatile. They kept a variety of users in mind, from travelers to daily users, from carrying your electronic devices or just personal belongings. The materials are durable and of quality. Versatile compartments with many uses. I'm a fan of the roll top as it can be adjusted to your carrying needs. So if you are in the market for a versatile backpack, whether you travel or just use it for daily use, the Alpaka Shift Pack should be on your list. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.